So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. In this video, we are going over my entire portfolio. I'm showing all of my investments, how much money I'm making for monthly dividends, and how much I am either making or losing overall. So we're going to start off with crypto investments, and then we're going to go into stocks. And then with the vaulted gold and silver, I don't have any of my physical gold and silver just because it would be too much to try to track the value of the physical pieces. So I'm just using the vaulted pieces instead. So starting off at the top with our first crypto project, which is my CUSD stake on Valora. I did do a Valora video showing how to stake CUSD for those who are interested. I initially put in $101 and it is now sitting at $136. I am earning I believe it's a 12% APY on that. I got $1.24 last month, and that puts me at almost 1% for the month. And so I'm slowly earning that 1% each and every month on that. And as you can see, I am up pretty high on that investment. We do have WarFi as well, which I put $200 in. I did do a video when I did that. Because of the 15% admin fee, I lost quite a bit. You can see I'm currently down $23.57 just because it's my second month. If I keep it in there for a few more months, I should be able to make that back pretty quickly. I did make 4.61% last month, which is $8.13. I do have my Matic lending. So I just started lending Matic towards the end of October. I put in $46 and it is now sitting at $57.56. So we are up. However, I'm not earning much interest on it. I only earned 8 cents so far, which is a really low ROI. I'm actually going to move my money out of lending Matic and put it into something that's getting a higher yield, maybe USDT, but I will show that when I do my next $1 a day video. We also have my USDEX Plus stake. I put $28 in there and it's now sitting at $33.50. I did receive 24 cents last month, which is 0.72% ROI, and so I am up on that. I have my Bull Run Bandit. So this is another one from the Investing $1 a Day. It is staking both Ethereum and Bitcoin on the Arbitrum blockchain. And I put in $74.72. It jumped up to $91, which is really good. But I had not received much dividend last year. I didn't receive much rewards, only 8 cents. So it's a really, really low ROI. However, this month, it's much higher. It's a much higher APY. So this is going to look a lot better when I do this again next month. We have Project 79, which I put $200 in. And last month, I got a 5% return, which is $10, which is good to see. Presend. So I originally put $400 into Presend to get 2 NFTs. And they are not really doing anything yet. They're doing their big crowdfunding thing coming soon. But the value of the NFTs in their new crowdfunding model is going to be $250 each, which is $500. So I made $100. We'll see if that actually changes once everything starts and people are actually able to actively trade their NFTs for the shares. We'll see what happens there. But for now, I am up by $100. If we jump into stocks, I have my Modiv Industrial, put $90 into it. It is up by a few dollars. I received 57 cents in dividends last year, or last month rather. So it's about 0.5%, which is really good. Now, all of these that say 0, these are all stocks that I got for free from Webull. And so these are from the Webull promotions that I've been talking about on my channel. As you can see, I got a lot of free stocks from it. So the one that's actually paying out dividends right now is the Global X Super Dividend ETF, and it paid out 84 cents, which is a 1% monthly dividend payment. And I got that for free, $82 worth of shares, completely for free, thanks to Webull. And so that's going to continue to pay me each month. Hopefully it'll stay around the 1%, which would be really good. I may actually end up buying more if it stays at the 1%. And then I got all these other stocks completely for free from Webull. All of them are doing well right now. They're actually more than what I initially got from Webull. Then we got Starwood Property Trust. This one is also from our Investing $1 a Day series. I put $17.06 in. It is now up. It's at $18.76. I received 50 cents. First there was, I think it was 49 cents was the dividend payment. And then I received a 1 cent lending fee from the stock lending in Robinhood. So that is 2.67%, which is really high for a stock. The next one, EOG Resources, I put $60 into that. I am up on that as well, and I received 39 cents as a dividend payment for about 0.5% ROI. QYLD, I am actually down on QYLD. I put $56 in. It's sitting at $53 and change, but I did receive a 54-cent dividend payment, and that is a 1% return, which is nice to see, especially for a stock. But as you can see, it is in red because I am losing money overall. ARMOUR Residential REIT is another one that I'm down on. I got 35 cents in interest from ARMOUR Residential REIT, but that turns out to 1.75% ROI. So I am receiving a really good dividend payment from ARMOUR, but I am down overall by quite a bit, 26%. Hopefully that will turn around. So on the vaulted gold and silver, so this is the silver that I have in my Mint wallets over at Mint Builder. And this is also part of the Investing $1 a Day series. So I put $97.49 into gold. That is up right now, sitting at $99, almost at $100. I am up by $2 and I'm up by 2%. Now, I will not receive a dividend payment on the vaulted gold and silver. It's just here to show my overall investment. I am down, however, on the silver. I put $72 in, and I'm only sitting at $69 and change, down by $2.65. So the totals, I put $1,300 of my own money into my investments, but I have a value of over $1,600. So that's pretty good. I'm up by over $300. I received $22.96, so almost $23 back from dividends and interest and trading fees. And that is a total return of 1.41%. So I'm making 1.41% a month on my investments, which is really nice to see. Overall, I am up by 25% on all of my investments. So that is, that's my full portfolio. There are some things that I'm kind of dabbling in, but it's not really worth talking about because I don't really have a lot of, I would say, trust in some of these things. These are things that are just like really risky, but I'm just playing with them to see what can happen. If I end up doing well in them, then yes, I will start talking about them on the channel. But for now, this is just the stuff that I feel confident about and stuff that I would actually recommend to anyone else who would want to get into investing. So this series is just to show you everything that I'm investing in that's doing well, that's doing bad. And if you guys have any questions about any of this stuff, just go ahead, leave it in the comments below. Some of the future moves that I'm going to do is I've already decided that I'm going to switch out Matic lending. So I'm going to start lending out another token. And I think I will probably put some more money in some of these other ones, Like, for example, the best one right now is Project 79. That's the best investment that I have right now. So I will most likely put some more money into Project 79. Maybe some more into Warfi as well, because that one is doing really well. And of course, I will continue to put some more money into gold when it comes to the actual vaulted gold and silver. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you think this is a good series? I plan on doing it at least once a month, just to show how everything is doing. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.